we're making a giant kitty. Today we're making a kitty surprise. It's going to have a little horn. First, you fold it like this. And then you do this. And then flip it around. And then do it to the other side. And then just lift this side back up. And then let's get started. First, we are doing 2 lines like this, and this kitty that has cute little eyes. So now we're making a horn with stripes, and we're going to make that own house. Rainbow colors. We're going to color in the eyes. If you know how to do this, then just use the permanent marker. We're keeping that whole looking. And don't forget the ears. You can do the ears. Earpiece. Good. Now, here it is. The basic. Oh, and we open it up. And whiskers, we're going to add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whiskers. And 7 whiskers on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are just going to make the mouth. And then we are done. But first we're going to do this. And then this. And hearts everywhere. You can add more than me. It's just all about having fun. If you mess up, that's okay. It's just all about having fun. I'm just adding 3 hearts on each layer. I'm just adding 3 hearts on each layer. You can add 4 or 5 or any. And now we're doing this. Okay, when we color it, we're just going to, pause the video. Make the video stop, and then I'll tell you when to turn it back on. And that's a mess up. Okay, we're done with the hearts. And then we're just going to go ahead and color it. And this is a special marker right here. It has a dot inside and a normal color inside. And I use this with the dot inside, and now I'm just going to go to lines right here. All over. What you doing, Ava? What you doing, Ava?
It's coloring. It's making something.
What is it?
It's a kitty that forms into a cute little kitty, and then it pops out into kind of a cute one. It's even cuter.
Ooh.
It's even cuter. Like that.
Okay. I'm just going to leave now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
So you can see this guy right here that's talking to Ava. I actually made him by hand. I have a crocodile one somewhere. And I do not know where he is. The crocodile one. I bet you.
Ah! Okay, the hopes are done. Wait right here.
Red Owen. Okay, so I got kind of.